If you want to change the SIM card pin code on Xiaomi 17, first of all we need to open settings. Once you open settings, scroll down and find fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Now in here we want to go to privacy, and once you open privacy settings you want to scroll down and go to more security settings over here. Now we should be able to find the SIM lock section, and of course you want to choose the SIM for which you want to change the pin code. Now, in order to be able to change the pin code, first we need to lock the SIM, we need to activate the SIM lock, and we need to enter the current pin code and press OK. Now, as you can see, we have this option, change SIM pin, so we're gonna tap over here, enter once again the current pin code, and press OK, and now we need to enter the new pin code that you wish to use, and press OK. We need to enter the new pin code once again, exactly the same of course, and press OK. And finally, the pin code has been updated. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.